Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Seventh-day Adventist diet principles can indeed benefit everyone. These principles advocate for a plant-based diet, emphasizing fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and legumes. They also encourage moderation, avoidance of alcohol, tobacco, and caffeine, and promote regular exercise. Following such a diet can lead to improved heart health, lower risk of chronic diseases, and better weight management. Incorporating these dietary practices into your lifestyle can enhance overall well-being and longevity, making it advantageous regardless of religious affiliation.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.